Hi guys, this is a video on Windows tips. Basically this morning I've had to reformat my computer and start all over again because my user profile in Windows was getting cluttered with all the different programs that I've tried out and showed you and things like that, so I've just started again. Computer's a lot faster now, but what's happened is, in my hard disk drives, it's installed Windows XP to drive D instead of drive C, and my C is my recovery drive. So now my Windows is on drive D and that's the default. Now I don't want to change it because I know that if I do it will screw around with it and it probably won't work if I try and change the D drive to a C drive. So what I would like to do is not actually show this recovery at all, and I was thinking that this may be useful for people who have recovery drives that they can actually see in my computer. You want to be able to hide it so you don't accidentally save something in this, or you accidentally delete anything from your recovery drive, because this has got my Windows XP partition on it if I ever need to recover my computer. So I want to be able to hide this so I don't accidentally click it and delete, or if I format it or whatever. So I've got no choice but to have everything I have on drive D, but I can hide C. Now this is also useful if you have a card reader, and because I've got like I don't know, let me just have a look. I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 slots in my. Where's that 4? Yeah, I've got 4. Sorry, I've got 4 slots in my computer, and I only use one because that's for the card from my phone. And there's 4 drives here, and I don't know which is which. When I go to select my, I think it's memory stick duo or something like that. I don't know which is which, so I'm actually going to have to go for them now. So it's drive E. The rest just say insert disk because I haven't got anything to put in there. So what I'd like to do is basically only have in my computer the drives that I use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide drive C, and then I'm going to hide drive F, G and H. Now I'd show you how to do it if you want to do this as well. I'd show you how to do it using registry settings, but again that's boring to start with, and it can be done just by unticking a box. So previously I've talked about downloading something called Tweak UI. Now I've downloaded it and installed it already. I'll provide the link in the description. It's a great program and you can tweak several things about Windows. So I'm just going to go to where have I put it? System. There we go, Tweak UI. And I'm just going to click on my computer. And it says my computer icons, files stored on this computer. So you'll notice that I have shared documents and Duncan's documents. Now I can get rid of that if I really wanted to. In fact I might do, because I've got my documents there and I don't share my documents, so I'm going to apply that and you'll see that it's gone. So I don't need them anymore. And if you go into this plus button next to my computer, it says drives, and you'll notice that there's a load of things down here. It's got all the ones that I haven't even got on my computer, like all the way down to Z, but you'll notice that it has C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and that's about it. So what I want to be able to do is hide C, F, G and H. So all I'm going to do is untick C, untick F, untick G and untick H. Apply. And now I have everything that is actually on my computer, because this one is my memory stick duo and it now works. I now don't have to worry about hitting my recovery drive, although if you do have Windows installed on drive D, always be careful when you're installing programs, because some of them default to drive C. You need to make sure you're installing to drive D. But that's about it. Now I have now my computer looks a lot less cluttered. It's just got the things I need, and yeah, that's about it. So that's a little tip for you. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.